Hello everyone, it's Sandro Stefanucci from Abstract Homes and Renovations. I just want to show you some stair stringers that I'm building right now. A few important things that you want to know, and I know over the years we've tried different types of materials. We've tried LVLs, which is like a laminated veneered plywood, and we found with those they actually, when you cut your stringer pieces out, that there's so much binding and twisting that it actually warps. Even though it's a super strong material, it's an engineered product, it doesn't work very well. Then we tried timber strand, which is very similar to, if you look up top here, you can see where it says timber strand. We tried those boards. You know, they're 1.5 inches. You can get 1.75 inches thick, and we've been using those. But the problem with those is you can nail through the face, but you can't nail through the ends. So, which end up being on the surface here, and then it doesn't hold because it's just like a wafer board, and it just goes right through. It doesn't hold either, even though it's super strong on a lateral type of load and a downward pressure load. So I'm going back to the old traditional way. So what I've got here is I got 2x12. So that's an important thing too, is you always want to look for the 2x12s, not 2x10s, because 2x10s just not give enough strength. Once you cut your tread and your riser, it doesn't leave enough meat between the end of the tread and the riser to the bottom cord, and it becomes very wobbly. So I'm kind of overbuilding this thing here. I've got two pieces, 2x12 that I've got cut that I'm putting on as one piece. So it's going to be, 3 inches of thickness of material that's glued together, screwed and nailed, and it's going to be super strong. There's going to be no bounce in this thing at all. And then, at least 3.5-inch screws coming from the other side of the stud wall where we've got where that actual unit goes and sits in place too. So there's your lesson for the day. Bye for now.